Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a series of poses and strengthening exercises and opening exercises to better our posture in the upper body, the shoulders and the neck, so that we don't stay as hunched over throughout the day as we walk around, as we work at our desk. We can stand more upright in a nice straight line. First, come up to stand. Just move the body around a little bit, sway from side to side, use some arm scissors. Do a vertical swing, have a bounce in your knees. Maybe do some X's, go from side to side more. Roll out the shoulders, move your neck. And then widen your stance a little bit. Place your hands on your hips just to get the hips in alignment. Move them from side to side like this. And rotate them in circles. Yeah. Wonderful. Bring your stance back to neutral. And then bring your hands so that the arms are parallel to the floor. Make a light fist next to the side of you. As you exhale, engage the shoulder blades between your back. As you inhale, release the effort. Exhale, engage the shoulder blades, and release on the inhale. You'll notice that the elbows come behind your back as you exhale and more towards the side as you inhale. And you'll notice the elbows come close together, but the action is in the place of the shoulder blades, so that when you exhale, the shoulder blades come together. Inhale, they come back. Allow your shoulders to sit and rest downward as you do this. It's very easy to shrug your shoulders as you bring them back. As you exhale and bring them back, allow them to stay down. Inhale, release. And just a few more repetitions of this. Lower your arms, do some arm scissors, roll out the shoulders, move your neck a little bit. Then, in a neutral standing position, with your hands at your side, inhale the arms overhead. And exhale, lower the arms back down. Just a few repetitions of this. Inhale up and exhale down. The next time you inhale your arms overhead, you'll exhale to a goalpost position. Inhale up and exhale the goalpost. We'll repeat it this way for a couple more times. As you come into the goalpost position, it's that same activation with your shoulder blades. Back and down. Inhale up and exhale, engage back and down. As if your back was to a wall and your arms were in contact with the wall the entire time. As you inhale, look up between your hands. As you exhale, lengthen the back of the neck. Inhale, look up, and exhale, tuck the chin slightly, lengthen the back of the neck. Inhale up and exhale, lower the arms all the way to your side. Do some arm scissors, sway from side to side. And then clasp your hands behind your head. Bring the elbows back behind you, engage the shoulder blades. And it's very easy to shrug your shoulders here, so in this position, let them drop. Lengthen the back of the neck, press your head into the hands behind you. Stand firmly, solidly, and continue to breathe. You may find that it's helpful to have a slight engagement in the pelvic floor for extra stability. Bring the elbows back, the shoulders drop, back of the neck lengthens. And then release the clasp behind your head. Do some arm scissors. Roll the shoulders. And then extend your left arm out in front of you and your right arm points towards the ceiling. Wrap the left arm underneath the right arm to come into eagle arms. If eagle arms is too much, you can uncross a little bit and just give yourself a big hug. In all cases, bring your shoulders up, back, and down. From there, as you inhale, bring your elbows towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, bring the elbows towards the floor. And it doesn't have to be a big movement, very subtle, but it can get into some pretty fun places. If you're just giving yourself a hug, it's the same thing, just elbows up, elbows down. Come back to center. You're still an eagle. You're still giving yourself a hug. As you exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. And on the following exhalation, roll the spine down, bend your legs, come into a forward fold. And really here, you can allow the back to open up. We've done a lot of engaging of the shoulder blades between the back. You can really allow the back to open up here. You're still giving yourself a hug. You're still in eagle arms. But you can also untwist and let your hands come more towards the floor. On your next inhalation, come back up to stand, undo the twist, use some arm scissors, roll out the shoulders, and then stick your right arm out in front of you. The left arm comes up, right underneath left, wrap into eagle arms on the second side. As a quick experiment, without doing anything with the shoulders, first drop your chin towards your chest. And then come back up. Pick up the shoulders, engage them back, and drop them down. Now drop your chin towards your chest and see if anything changes. Inhale the elbows towards the ceiling and exhale towards the floor. Bring your arms back to neutral. Exhale the chin towards the chest. And then following exhalation, roll down into a forward fold on the second side. Just one or two more breaths here. And then on your next inhalation, come up to stand, undo the twist. Do some more arm scissors. Sway from side to side. And it's very easy to have a lot of tension in the neck while we do these things. So we'll do a couple of things here just to loosen everything up. We've done a lot of activation. Now we want to do the opposite, let things open. As you exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, roll your ear over one shoulder and all the way back. Exhale, complete the circle forwards. Inhale back and exhale forward. Nice circle rolls. Allow the shoulders to move with your neck so there's no crunching or cranking super aggressively. Switch directions. And then exhale the chin towards the chest. Inhale, come straight back up. The nice tall spine, lengthen the back of your neck, tuck the chin slightly. And then exhale, turn your head to one side. Inhale through center, exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop one ear towards one shoulder. Inhale, come up, and the opposite on the exhale. The next time you exhale your ear towards your shoulder, hold that position. Draw a line between the center of your eyebrow and your chin and nod your head along that line. Inhale up and exhale down. And then inhale your head upright. Exhale to the opposite side. Draw that line between the center of your eyebrows and your chin. Nod your head. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale your head upright. And then take 2 fingers on both ears and gently rub the space right at the base of the ear behind your ear where the skull meets the neck. Very gently. Just give yourself little circles. You can use both hands. Just massaging the muscle on the side of the neck, that sternocleidomastoid. It runs all the way down the length of your neck to the place of your collarbone. You can rub that area too, right at the tip of the collarbone and about an inch or 2 up the length of it. And then lower your hands, exhale your chin towards your chest. Inhale back to neck rolls. One ear over one shoulder all the way back. And exhale forwards. Now 3 or 4 times in each direction. And then exhale the chin back towards the chest. Inhale straight back up. Widen your stance slightly. Bring the shoulders up, back, and down. As you do, lift up both of your arms in front of you like you're giving a tree a big hug. The shoulders are back and down. They're settled. The neck is long, pressing slightly back, and the elbows are dangling, but they're not down. Bend your legs slightly, engage the pelvic floor so that there's a lift from the entire base of the spine all the way up towards the head, all the way towards the head. And the fingertips, they aren't touching, but they are connected. Allow yourself to rest and allow the support and the structure of your spine to hold yourself here. And then lower your arms on the exhalation. Do some more arm scissors. Sway from side to side. And that's a great sequence that you can do to realign things with the shoulders and the neck, the chest. We'll be able to talk more about this on another time with the hips, the pelvis, the abdomen, so that the entire spine is nice and steady. For a lot of us, we have a lot of hunchbacks in just a lot of our lives. So this is a great way to open things up, get things strengthened so that we don't have to force ourselves to have a tall posture. The strength naturally brings it that way. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.